All rise. Judge Vanderbeek Court now in session. Judge, this is case number JVB 1003, Carrera versus Carrera.
Thank you. You all may be seated. Okay, Mr. Carrera,
Yes.
you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Yes. So I brought this case before you because I'm currently paying for extracurricular activities for our daughter.
Okay.
And it's a little bit more money than I thought it was going to be. So I would like my wife, Sheila, to reimburse me for it.
The courtroom doors open, and that serious, focused atmosphere sets in. The judge walks in, everyone stands, and just like that, things get real. This isn't your average legal case. It's Carrera versus Carrera, a family dispute filled with financial stress and deep emotions. Even in those first few moments, you can tell the stakes are high. Emotions are close to the surface, and what's about to unfold could change lives. Get ready. This case is about to take some unexpected turns.
So you guys are separated?
Yes.
Okay. What type of extracurricular activities is the child involved?
So our daughter's very big into sports.
Okay.
So she plays soccer and, it's just like the cost of cleats, the cost of like gloves, because she plays goalie. It's just a lot of upkeep for me, and she makes more money than I do. So I kind of want help with it.
Okay. I see here, ma'am, from the tax returns that you make about $100,000 a year.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Child support was not previously ordered.
Yes.
Okay. So are you guys in agreement to do that? Or you don't want to pay child support?
Things move quickly from here. Mr. Carrera steps forward and gets straight to the point. He's overwhelmed by the rising costs of his daughter's sports. He's not tossing around blame. He's asking for support from his ex. You can hear the stress in his voice as he lists off the gear. Cleats, gloves, fees. The bills just keep coming. This isn't about revenge or grudges. It's about trying to keep up, do right by his child, and asking for what he feels is fair. And from this moment on, the emotions only get more real.
What's going on?
I don't think it's necessary. We split her 50-50. She's at my house just as much. She's with me just as much, if not more.
Your Honor, I would say that's probably an argument for her to pay me. If we're splitting 50-50, I shouldn't have to pay all of it.
That's exactly what I was getting ready to say. So you kind of like told on yourself. So you ready to move forward with the numbers?
Sure.
Okay, well, let's go ahead and get ready with the numbers. So it looks like you make, like I said, $100,000 a year. Do you work overtime, or is that regularly what you make?
No, I work overtime. But
okay. And does that include overtime?
Yes, ma'am. It's a salaried position, so it's just...
This is where things hit a boiling point. The judge reviews the figures and drops the decision. $1,391.64 in monthly child support. You can feel the mood change instantly. The mother is clearly stunned by the amount. It's more than just a court order. It's a turning point. Suddenly, all the earlier talk about custody and cooperation fades into the background. The focus shifts. Now it's all about the money and the weight of real-life responsibility. This moment hits hard because it's no longer about who's right or wrong. It's about stepping up.
Okay, got it. All right. So at $100,000 a year, I have your gross at $10,000 a month. Mm-hmm. Before I continue, who pays health insurance?
We both do.
We both.
Okay, how much do you pay?
$348 or $386.
$386.
Yeah, $386.
Okay.
And I
how
pay
much?
$200.
Okay, and you both plan on maintaining those health insurance policies?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, great. That way, nobody has to reimburse anybody for health insurance, but because you do carry health insurance and you're going to be ordered to pay child support, I can give you credit for the $386. So that brings your net down to $6,988.19. Which, how many children? Just one?
Just one.
Okay, so 20% of that brings your child support obligation to $1,391.64. That should cover any expenses and anything like that, because the child is heavily involved. Sounds like in extracurricular activities, Are there any other questions?
Now comes the final word, and it's a strong one. The judge, calm but clear, explains exactly why the decision stands. When life changes, so must the support. This isn't about emotions. It's about responsibility and putting the child's needs first. Watching this unfold, it hits you. Even the best agreements can shift when real-life costs start adding up. The law doesn't stop at separation. It moves with you. If this case gave you a new perspective, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and we'll catch you in the next one.